Welcome to Auto Info YouTube channel. Today we are talking about most trending Can-Am electric bike. The atmosphere is modern and elegant, with polished marble floors that gleam under soft, ambient lighting. The design is minimalist, allowing the space to feel both expansive and intimate, where every detail is thoughtfully curated. The camera moves slowly, capturing the rich textures and subtle elegance of the space, leading the viewer's eye toward the star of the room, the Can-Am electric motorcycle. In a world where performance, design, and sustainability converge, there is one name that rises above the rest: Can-Am electric motorcycles. A symbol of innovation, a beacon for the future of riding, and a brand synonymous with adventure and cutting-edge technology. The camera transitions smoothly to focus on the Can-Am electric motorcycle, now standing proudly at the center of the showroom. The bike, with its sleek and aerodynamic lines, immediately demands attention. Its sophisticated curves and matte finish make it appear as though it's crafted from the future. The subtle glow of the showroom's ambient lighting highlights every curve of the bike's modern design, revealing the meticulous craftsmanship behind every inch. Crafted with the utmost precision and engineered for those who demand the best, the Can-Am electric motorcycle isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. A journey into the future of mobility. This motorcycle represents the pinnacle of electric engineering and design, offering the perfect fusion of luxury and performance. The camera zooms in on various parts of the bike, starting with the sleek, angular design of the frame. The electric powertrain, housed seamlessly within the bike's structure, is both compact and powerful. The polished details of the bike's wheels, suspension, and high-tech dashboard are carefully highlighted, emphasizing the attention to detail that Can-Am engineers have poured into creating this masterpiece. Every line of the Can-Am electric motorcycle is designed not just for aesthetics but for performance. Its streamlined form cuts through the air with precision, enhancing aerodynamics and ensuring that the bike performs at the highest level, whether you're on the open road or navigating urban landscapes. Its electric powertrain delivers instantaneous torque, offering an unmatched, smooth acceleration that can only be found in the world of electric motorcycles. The camera transitions to a closer view of the electric motor, subtly displayed within the frame of the motorcycle. The high-tech components are visible but seamlessly integrated, showcasing the efficiency of the design. The soft hum of the electric motor is implied through the visual cues, hinting at the advanced technology that powers the ride. Unlike traditional motorcycles, the Can-Am electric motorcycle offers more than just raw power. It offers a new, eco-friendly way to experience the open road. With zero emissions and a quiet, yet powerful electric motor, it redefines what it means to be environmentally conscious while delivering the high performance that Can-Am is known for. It's not just about reducing your carbon footprint, it's about embracing a smarter, cleaner, and more thrilling ride. The camera moves down to the high-tech dashboard of the bike, which lights up as if anticipating the rider's touch. Digital displays show speed, battery life, and other crucial performance metrics, emphasizing the integration of advanced technology into every part of the motorcycle. With every ride, you'll have complete control at your fingertips. The Can-Am electric motorcycle is equipped with state-of-the-art digital displays, responsive touch controls, and advanced safety features that ensure you're not just riding, but riding with confidence. From real-time performance data to customizable ride modes, the Can-Am electric motorcycle offers a fully personalized experience. It's more than just a machine, it's an extension of the rider's desires and ambitions. The camera pans out again to reveal the entire showroom, with the bike positioned in front of a large, illuminated wall that proudly displays the Can-Am electric motorcycle's logo in bold, glowing letters. The logo radiates elegance, mirroring the bike's futuristic design while reinforcing its premium status in the world of motorcycles. As you stand in this showroom, surrounded by luxury and innovation, you realize that the Can-Am electric motorcycle is not just a step forward for the industry, it's a leap. A leap into a future where technology and sustainability meet to create something truly extraordinary. The camera lingers on the illuminated wall, then slowly pans to the bike once again, showing off its stunning visual appeal. The smooth lines, the well-engineered components, and the quiet elegance of the electric motor come together to create a vision of perfection. It's not just a motorcycle, it's a piece of art. Designed for the future, the Can-Am electric motorcycle is built for those who demand performance and luxury, but also want to make a statement about the future of transportation. With zero emissions and a ride that feels like no other, Can-Am is paving the way for a new era of riders who want the best of both worlds, style and sustainability. The camera transitions smoothly to a side profile shot of the bike, allowing viewers to fully appreciate the proportions and balance of the design. The sun outside casts a soft glow through the large showroom windows, illuminating the bike's chrome accents and smooth surfaces. Every element of the Can-Am electric motorcycle is meticulously designed with both form and function in mind. The advanced suspension system ensures a smooth ride, even on the most challenging terrain, while the sleek and futuristic frame allows for a balance of agility and stability. Whether you're taking on winding mountain roads or cruising down city streets, the Can-Am electric motorcycle adapts to your every need. The camera shifts to a close-up of the front wheel, where the intricate design of the tires and braking system are highlighted. The advanced braking system, combined with the electric motor's power, ensures a safe and responsive ride, even at high speeds. Performance and safety are at the core of the Can-Am electric motorcycle's design. With cutting-edge braking systems, superior handling, and an intuitive riding experience, every ride is crafted to ensure your safety while maximizing the thrill of the journey. The camera pulls back again, showing the bike in its full glory within the showroom. The lighting creates an almost ethereal glow, highlighting the bike's features and creating a striking contrast with the dark, modern design of the space. This is the future of motorcycling, a future where performance meets sustainability, and where luxury is not a luxury but a standard. Can-Am electric motorcycles brings you a ride like no other, where every journey is as exhilarating as it is environmentally conscious. The camera lingers on the bike once more before slowly fading to black. The last frame shows the illuminated logo on the wall, glowing softly in the background. Can-Am electric motorcycles. Ride the future. Experience luxury, power, and performance all in one. Please like and subscribe my channel.